Not like a rainy day. Look at this. Holy cow. Wow. This is insane. Look. Holy cow.
I could live in here.
Oh, of course you could.
Dude, it's got an
Look at
upstairs.
the. Right? Really?
It's got an upstairs.
It's got a loft, huh? Wow, what did I just walk into?
Go that way.
Look at this. I don't go that
Go
way?
that way and go upstairs.
What's down here? Holy cow. We're going upstairs. Oh, what do we got here?
A bed and another bedroom.
Oh my word, look at this.
Now turn to your other side. There's
A
two.
little-
There's another bedroom over there, but it's...
Ouch! Oh, geez, you don't go any higher. Oh, shoot. Okay. Wow, okay. Crawl space. Look at this. For your kids. Holy cow. Little futons. Hey, this would work right there. Look at this. Holy cow.
And now come look at our bedroom.
You gotta watch your head, that's all.
You
So
know
that's
first.
3 kids. If you got 3 kids, ain't that
You
something?
easily
3 kids.
have 3 kids because
Three
I think
kids.
the stuff in the living room folds out too.
Holy cow.
Now look at the bedroom down here.
Look at this. 3 bedroom.
Now look at this bedroom.
Hey, let's see.
Which is why I
You
let
could
you
put-
in.
2, 4, 6 dogs.
Which is why I let you in that door, because look at this bedroom.
What we got here? Holy cow.
Look at this bedroom.
Look at the awesome. Holy cow. Ain't that something?
Isn't that
Look at the front glass.
your own exit or entrance?
No kidding.
But now come look at the now come look at the kitchen.
Queen size bed.
It's like this.
Uh-huh.
Oh my God! I want this.
So you got 6. You put 3 kids. 3
Look,
kids
look.
up there. The loft is up there. Okay, what we got here?
A real toilet.
Oh, we got a full bathroom. Well, almost a full one. It's a shower. You're not gonna get a tub.
There is a tub and
guess-
something,
I
but
guess
it's
you can
probably
buy-
not here.
I guess you can buy your own tubs. But yeah, that's all you need is you need a shower. That's it.
But look,
What's up?
stainless steel.
Ain't that something? Look at
Stainless
this.
steel.
Look at the living room.
Look at the kitchen.
Look at the living area.
Look at the kitchen.
I see. Look, and a center island.
And this slides
Look at
out
this.
or slides in,
Okay, it's still got.
and
It's still got.
that's a slide.
It's still got to go out or is out.
These two are slides.
Are they out already?
They're out.
Okay, they're already out. Okay.
Look at the ceiling fan. The island.
From here's. Look at this.
Look, fireplace,
Find a nice lake.
TV.
Lakeside. Little heater. 14. Find a nice little lake and
Dude, I could
put it
live
on.
here.
Put it on it and be nice. This is awesome. I wonder what this price on this one is.
I wanted so bad to play with the little gadgets, but I didn't dare.
Look at the.
That's what I said. Look,
Almost our
that's what I showed you.
the
I'm
one-
like, look, stainless
the one we
steel.
got, yeah. And the big freezer bottom. That's the ideal. Man, ain't that something? That's beautiful.
The first one I walked into was this one. No other one has stood up to it.
This is
I'm like, oh my God,
I know.
there's an upstairs.
Yeah. Ain't that
Except
something?
I didn't hit my head like you did.
Oh, bang! I didn't realize.
But look, there's cabinets in the corner of
Yeah.
that bedroom.
Yeah.
You can see them from down here.
Yeah. There's your control panel. Ain't
Dogs, get your
that
asses
something?
upstairs.
Yeah, I know. Going to bed. Get up there.
We've got 3 bedrooms up there.
Yeah.
Get up there and get to bed.
Yeah. That's
We'll
awesome.
stay down here.
That's
we'll
awesome.
put them up there.
Yep, we could. Nope. We will dogitize that.
Saying, I'm saying,
Oh, we will dog proof it.
I'm saying.
That's beautiful. All right.
Isn't it amazing?
I know.
And look.
Oh, what's the cost on this? It's probably as much as the house.
Oh shit, I'm sure.
That would be a mortgage payment. But, YouTube's gonna pay for it, so I'm not worried about it. Give us a couple more years.
This is something, isn't it?
Yeah, look at that.
I had to show you this.
Yeah, I know.
Here, take my purse.
Yeah, I gotta get you down.
I got down.
Did you? Oh, look at that.
Except I didn't get down this way. I went the other way.
Isn't that cool? Outside speakers. Cool. That is the Grand Lodge.
I went down this way, which was
Wildwood
easier for me.
Forest. Out the bedroom. Self-love.
Isn't it freaking cool?
That's awesome.
Okay, I'll take my purse now.
Okay, what's the next? What's the next one? I haven't gotten one of
There's
the.
not a next one.
Huh?
There's not a next one. That's the ultimate one.
Well,
Oh my God! Look,
I
look.
like to look at them.
There's an awning that comes out.
Yep. Yep.
Dude, can I have it?
We'll get some more. Get some more viewers. There you go.
I
That's the
need
front.
that.
That's the front. There you go. And that shows the slide outs from the outside.
I
That's your
need
kitchen
that.
and all that. All foot way up. Now this
I
one.
went in this one.
Yep.
It's okay looking. I don't think
Aren't they
there's
the
an
same?
upstairs.
They're the same. That is an upstairs. No, there you go.
Oh, maybe there is an upstairs. It looks like there is an upstairs. Maybe I didn't go in this one. Maybe I went in the one next to it.
Okay. Doesn't have the things in. Back in the bedroom.
Oh, yep, there is an upstairs here.
So this has got one too. And you're coming in
It's
the.
got a walk-in closet.
Coming in.
I don't like this bedroom as much.
Coming in the bed.
Yeah, this has got an upstairs too.
Coming in the bedroom. It's not quite. Probably not as.
No,
Expensive.
not as good.
Oh, that's wide open there, right?
Not as good.
Got 2 bedrooms.
Yeah, it's 2 bedrooms, but it's not as good as 2 bedrooms.
Okay. You gotta make sure when you're walking up you don't bang your head. You keep thinking you're going up. So it's an over.
Not as good.
Okay, yeah, this is downgraded. You're not gonna.
Not as good.
Yep. Yeah, this is
Yeah, this is not as good.
downgraded. Little different design. Still got your center island. Still got an overhead.
Yeah, not as good.
Well, it's probably another $10,000 cheaper than the other one.
Well, I'll take the other one.
That one, oh yeah, I'm sure you would. The lodge, the Grand Lodge. And I'm not sure what this one is, but still, it's grand.
The other one was freaking awesome.
Well,
I mean, this is cute, and this would be awesome if you hadn't seen the one right next to it.
yeah.
But shit, when you see the one next to it, you're like, not nice.
This is the retreat, not the Grand.
And it's by Keystone.
Yeah, Keystone
Not
brand.
by Wildwood.
Wildwood by Forest River. That's Keystone. Okay, so you got two different brand. A retreat, another retreat,
See, but that retreat don't have it upstairs.
and this is another lot.
That's the one I went and did.
Okay, and this one's a Fairfield,
Yeah.
so it's a different
See,
brand.
None of them.
It's a different brand here.
I ruined it for myself.
You went in
Because I walked into the best one.
well, we can look at this one here.
It's not as cute.
Have you been in it?
Yeah.
Oh, you went in it.
This is the second one I went in.
Oh, Fairfield
I
Hut.
almost fell down the steps.
Oh, geez. See what design this one is. Oh, yeah.
I don't want to try it again.
You want to try it? You want to come
No, because these stairs scared me and I almost fell down them.
Okay. Well, this is a different. You're walking into the kitchen, and then your living room right out here. This is pretty cool.
No stairs.
Ceiling fan. Here. Center. Bathroom. Pretty big shower. Oh yeah. Central floor heating. Now we're gonna go to the master bedroom. Wow. That's pretty cool. Ceiling fans. All right. A little different design.
I'm good. I'm getting wet.
Are you?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I saw the best I had.
That's StarCraft. Okay. Going to StarCraft. StarCrafts. There's your retreats. These are all. Not bad. Okay. Full bathroom. Bedroom. Center consoles. And I see the page. Talking, this is an 18-footer, 22,000, almost 23,000, and you're talking $209 a month. Or $239 a month. This is not bad at all. $200 a month. Shoot, I buy a lot of other things for $200 a month, and it's not not as practical as this would be. So I don't know what a campsite would run. So you're paying $234 a month for this, and then you get your campsite for, I don't know what they charge.